Upgrade any bland room with MDF wall slat panels. Firstly, measure up to work out how many panels you need. The panels are 240mm wide by 1200mm high, so it's 4 panels to cover approx 1 linear meter width of wall half height, or 8 panels per 1 meter for full height. Firstly, do a dry fit on the floor to ensure you have enough panels by laying them out, like so. A chop saw or circular saw can be used to trim the length and width of the panels to size. Remember, as it's MDF, to mask up when cutting. Once happy with the layout, it's time to fix. Evenly spread adhesive on the back of the panel. Starting in one corner, checking the first panel is level and square, as this will form the base of the entire wall. Then you can mechanically fix. For best results, use a pinhead nailing gun with recessed pinheads, which provide a cleaner finish later. We recommend fixing top, middle, and bottom of each panel. If you don't have a nail gun, drill and countersink screws like shown to secure. Then repeat these steps for all panels until you have filled the complete wall to your design. Then it's time to fill the fixing holes and joins with a light-duty wood filler. If there are any gaps between the sides of the boards, fill this with a bead of caulk. Once dry, sand and dust off. Now time to paint. The MDF wall slat panels come with 2 layers of primer, so just need a top coat of wood or emulsion, a color of your choice. Then sit back and enjoy your MDF wall slat design.